You. That's why I'm taking things apart. That'll look just fine. I probably could have sanded it all carefully and painted it. Look what I'm finding underneath here. Hey. What the hell? Who knows? 34 years. Two bolts didn't come out, but got the other ones out and she lifted right up. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, it's the little spoilerette thing. Gives the Grand National trunk line its own thing. I feel an allergy attack. I believe that's all tree pollen. Gee. So, here's where I'm at. Update number, what's this? Just putting around. I'm jumping around all over the place. Kind of get bored with one thing kind of quick. Not really bored, I just get tired of doing one thing pretty quick. I'm pretty much done with this fender here. I think it'll be ready for coat of real primer. I used the various color primers to as basically as a guide coat. Well, the rest of it's looking good. I'm just doing little fills on the dings there, on the little chips, any paint chips. Don't try to feather stuff like that. You just end up with a wavy body. Got a few little dents to attack here soon. I do have one hole down here, and there's been a whammy here because I found Bondo body filler. Yeah, some of us of a certain era refer to body filler as Bondo, but there was quite a bit here, about 1/8 of an inch thick. So there's a whammy here. And you other Grand National T-type owners, can you tell me if that's normal to be? I don't know if you can see the contrast here. There, maybe that'll show it. Is that it's pretty good here, and up here it's got a little bit focus, and here it does this really bad wave. So I'm wondering if this has been hit one time and repaired. It's dead straight. So wondering, because even here little things look a little bent. I was told it's never been in an accident. What? Oh. Who knows? Even after the guy has your money and you have the ownerships in your hands, they still might not always reveal everything. So it's where I is. Bumper all done. Oh, and next video we'll talk taillights. So the bumper's all done. The bumperette bolt holes have been welded shut. I got one taillight renewed and refreshed. How's that? One of the advantages of being a guitar builder, I have buffers. Just use my finest compound that I use on lacquer, and boy, 15 seconds, maybe 20. That's all it took. I didn't want to risk going longer than that, and I didn't have to. But if you go too long, you create heat. Well, if you're wondering what my instrument finishes look like, it's kind of hard to catch a gloss, but I'm pretty good at the stuff, if I do say so myself. Which is, I had tried to buff the horizontal surfaces on this car here and just couldn't get it. Golly, look at that! And that looked like it was sealed tight. So I had to grab the camera and do that. So I've got the other taillight to do, and I'm going to do a video on that one because there's a few things that I saw that I wasn't quite sure how they came apart. So maybe help somebody else out. I have some gloss black paint, but I believe this should be more of a satin. So today being Saturday and me being in Rubber Boot Ontario. I don't have a store open on Sunday, so it'll be Monday before I get paint for that and put the tail light. But this came out beautifully. I had it all apart, so I was able to clean inside it out. And I'll do a little video tutorial on that. It came out so beautifully. And I just went out looking. I was actually looking to see what level of gloss that should have. And I ended up finding out that there's a bunch of taillights on eBay. And good grief, people are paying good money for them. So how about we learn to fix them together? Okay? Cool. Saturday night. Thanks for hanging out with me in my shop.